This might be the easiest, juiciest steak dinner you'll ever make. No stove, no oven, just your air fryer. If you love fast, flavor-packed meals like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel before we start. Today we're making air fryer garlic butter steak and potatoes, and everything finishes at the same time. Start with the potatoes. Add 700 grams or 1.5 pounds. Season with 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon oil. Toss until every piece is coated. Place the potatoes in the air fryer basket and cook for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, let's prep the steak. Use 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of sirloin or ribeye. Cut into juicy 1-inch bites. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. This is the secret to incredible browning. Add half a teaspoon black pepper and half a teaspoon garlic powder. Toss the steak until every piece is coated in that flavor bomb marinade. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit that like button. Now for the flavor bomb that takes this recipe to another level. Finely chop 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Chop 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. In a small bowl, add the garlic and parsley. Pour in 60 grams or 2 ounces of melted butter. Mix everything together until well combined. This is our garlic butter sauce, rich, fragrant, and absolutely irresistible. Set it aside while we finish cooking the steak and potatoes. Open the air fryer basket, push the potatoes to the sides and make space in the center. Add the steak bites in a single layer. Air fry everything together for another 6 to 8 minutes, checking at 6 for perfect medium rare to medium. While everything is hot, transfer it to a large bowl. If this recipe made you hungry, subscribe for more easy air fryer dinners like this. And tell me in the comments, would you make this with ribeye or sirloin?